I want to introduce myself and my work experience. I'm an evangelista from Philippines in Cavite, and I'm 38 years old. And I had one son, 16 years old, and my mother and father is also elderly. And my work experience is in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. I caring child, 9 years old, cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning house. And here in Hong Kong, I also, as a domestic helper, bring and pick up baby in school. And he is 11 years old boy, and 7 family members, and also grandma 71 years old, and I carry pets, 1 cat, and I want to work again to Hong Kong because it's near in Philippines. Thank you. I hope.